I'm reorganizing some stuff. I'm just trying to like make room because I've built up a lot of clutter over the years. If you know me, I love movies. I love villains. And then on the music side of things, I'm more of like, I guess, a classic rock type of dude. Like Rush. I mean, I name Rush first because that's like my all-time favorite band. I have a ton of posters and memorabilia of like all kinds of stuff. And I figured while I'm here, I might as well just pull out the camera to see what all I've got back here. I just know that I've got a ton of junk, so let's see what we got. Jack Nicholson as the Joker. In my opinion, Heath Ledger, incredible spin on the Joker. But in my personal opinion, I think Jack was the best. I felt like he just shaped the character and brought a whole new light to the villain and his personality. And I feel like that helped pave the way for Heath Ledger's Joker. So in a sense, I still feel like Jack's is the best because I think he paved the way to create what Heath Ledger brought to the Joker. Ooh, classic. Original Star Wars. It's a little bent up. Gosh, my dad got this for me when I was like super young. I think I have the life-size Darth Vader thing. It's like huge, but I think that is still in storage. I got these in Vegas. These are like chalk painted drawings of Heath Ledger, the Joker. No, that's I think just a picture. That's not a chalk drawing. Again, love the villains. So, of course, I've got all the Disney villains, or some of them, maybe not every single one of them, at least some of the classics. Is Jafar on there? Jafar is not on there. Jafar was like my favorite. Batman, The Killing Joke. Batman and Robin, the original movie poster. I loved this movie as a kid. Seeing it today, I mean, it was one of the worst. Sorry. Sorry if you like it. Some of the lines were pretty cheesy. Everybody chill, chill. Arnold Schwarzenegger, Mr. Freeze. Uma Thurman. Oh yeah, Poison Ivy. I didn't even realize I had that. My mom got this for my birthday a while back. This is every single Rush album. It's got all three, Geddy, Alex, and Neil. Thanks, Mom. Oh yeah. Another thing, huge James Bond fan too. The original Sean Connery. Bond. James Bond. Let me undo that bow money penny. So I grew up on super old classic, Turner Classic movies. Bob Hope. So this is Bing Crosby, Bob Hope, and Frank Sinatra playing golf. Heath Ledger. Why so serious? Why so serious? Joker card. My vision is one day, I guess all this stuff, like I hope to have a room, like a theater, or build out or have in a house one day so that I can put all this on display so it's not just sitting in a pile in storage. I love this. Villain at Work. If I ever have like a crazy big home studio, this will be where that is. Valkyrie, Tom Cruise poster. I liked the movie. I thought it was really good. I love World War II stuff, studying about it, reading, collecting. Huge Rush Clockwork Angels tour poster. Layers too much. It's a massive poster. Rush 2112 album. This is the Feedback album where they did all of their covers for some of their favorite tunes. The Rush Live in Rio poster. I have this live concert DVD. This is one of the first concert DVDs I ever got. I was able to get my mom to get me. And I just studied this film, just intently, like I needed it for survival or something. So obviously Neil was a huge inspiration in my music and drum playing, trying to play drums. Rush poster. So I need to frame this. Heath Ledger. Joker. Ooh, Suicide Squad. Jared Leto is the Joker. Another Suicide Squad poster. Titanic. I used to be obsessed with the Titanic. Tried to study every aspect of that. I loved all the Titanic movies. I watched all the history, biography, channel. Apollo 11. I used to want to be an astronaut. I think I went through the phase, so I wanted to be a preacher, then an astronaut, then an actor. I wanted to be a politician. I wanted to try to become president one day. And then I think I found music. My parents were thrilled about that. I thought that was all that I had to show you, but I found one last thing. The artist called this The Joker's Wild. He made 2 paintings. The 3 main Jokers, obviously this is before Jared Leto. This is Joker's Wild 2. My mom got this for my, I think, 21st birthday. I saw the other one on display at the store when we were at the mall one day. And I was like, oh my gosh, look at that. That's awesome. Went to ask and the guy was like, well, we just got these in and they'll probably go pretty quick. So if you want one, you better get it. Sure enough, she went back, I think later that day, and the first one had already sold, and so the only one they had left was this one, so she got this. It's incredible to me. I think that's all I got to show you guys. It's probably boring to some of you, but I love collecting stuff like this. And so hopefully like I said earlier in the video, that I'll have a room to be able to have all this actually set up and on display. And then all of you can come over and hang out and watch movies and see all this stuff.